Guys, Dark Phase 2 here. Today I'd like to tell you about item NBT data, because I think I would do good in this world if I made a comprehensive list of everything you can do with it. But first I want to show you this. This is just a basic redstone clock. This is what all the cool kids use nowadays. Basically just have a fill with stone or whatever other block that doesn't power with redstone, and it could be any area as long as it includes this block right here, the block above it, and then above that block you're going to want to fill the same area with redstone blocks. So basically what's happening is every tick it's getting filled with stone and then redstone, or redstone and then stone. I don't know exactly, but even though this doesn't look like a clock because it's ending on redstone every tick, so, but if I do /say hi in here, it's gonna do that. So yeah, that's a fancy clock. So most of the stuff that I'm going to be covering in this tutorial, I think everything is going to be from this wiki page on the Minecraft wiki. It is the player.dat format page, and I'm specifically focusing on the item structure, and I don't know why I can't click on anything, but oh well. This stuff is about the player. That I'm not worried about because it's not used in commands. This is the stuff that you can customize in the /give command, etc. So yeah, if you want to follow along, just go here. So the first thing I want to cover is the Unbreakable and CanDestroy tags. So here's how you do NBT. This is just a /give command, so you can see the if. I'm not going to scroll over. It's just /give. The name of the player you could do @p, whatever you want here. This is just a normal player selector. This is the item ID. I'm giving myself a diamond shovel. I want one diamond shovel. A diamond shovel with a damage value of 0. And this is the NBT. So the first tag I have here is Unbreakable. This is what kind of tag is this? This is a byte. Okay, so if it's 1, then the tool will not break or whatever else. And the second tag here is CanDestroy. So this is a list. Stop highlighting things. Shift bug? Much? Okay. Yeah, that's a bug. It does this, and then I feel sad. Anyway, I could go in here and add a comma here and add more stuff there, but I don't have space in the chat, and I don't feel like putting it in a command box. So when I do this, it'll give me a shovel. You can see the shovel says Unbreakable in it, and it can break sand. So if I go into adventure mode, I can show you what can break does. Basically, I can't break anything normally. As you can see, I'm just running around hitting things. They don't even have a hitbox. But sand, I can. This also works for other damage values of sand, like red sand. That's the only one, actually. And then I get my nice happy sand, and you notice that this tool has taken no durability from that. So let me go back into creative and put my sand back. I don't really need it, but oh well. Okay, so that's the 2 general tags. According to the wiki, I guess they are not really pretty general. Anyway, okay. Alright, so the next thing is block tags, which are tags that are specific to blocks, ones that you can place. So, here's the command I've used. This is the CanPlaceOn tag, which is very similar to the CanBreak tag. If, I go back into adventure mode. Nope, I don't have it here. /game mode A. Then you can see if I take the sand, I can't really place it anywhere. But if I take these chests, because they have a can be placed on sandstone, I can place them on whatever sandstone I want. And I can just go boop ba doop ba doo. Oh gosh. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So now for the other block tag. Alright, so the next tag here after CanPlaceOn is BlockEntityTag, right here. And this is a tile entity there is a page on the wiki. I believe if you go in the chunk format page, you can find the tile entity format. And basically what this is if you press Control and then pick block, it will give you a block like this. It's the tile entity that will be placed down when you place the block. So this is a tile entity for a chest, and mind you, if you know about tile entity, it does not include the ID, which tells what type of tile entity it is, and obviously not the X, Y, and Z. It's just the information. So in a chest specifically, items is a list of items, and here you can see the overall item structure that isn't usually accessible by NBT in like /give. We have count 12. There's 12 of them. Slot 3, that's the third slot in the chest. Damage 0. The ID is a sponge, and I just so the tag, compound tag, is where all this other stuff that I'm showing you is stored. So I have a CanPlaceOn tag as a demonstration. So now if I just hit this button, it'll give me 8 chests, and you can see the whole command right there in the chat. It has 12 sponges, and let's see, did I do this right? /game mode A. No, I didn't. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, that's basically how to do it. Don't copy that tag part though, because I screwed something up there. But that gives you the gist of the idea, which is that you can have tile entities that you can place down, and I can get rid of the sponge in my inventory. Okay, next one. Alright, so this is one of the more interesting things that you can do with NBT. I'm sure you've all been waiting for enchantments. So let me trigger this command. Basically, I have given myself a diamond pickaxe with fortune level 1337 and sharpness level 69 because I'm just mature like that. You can see it has plus 91.25 attack damage, which is able to kill an iron golem, the ender dragon, and the wither in 2 hits. So here's what I did to get this. It's actually pretty simple. There's an enchantment tag and then a list of enchantments. Each enchantment is a compound tag with an ID and a level. The ID tells it what enchantment you can it is. If you just go look up Enchanting on the Minecraft wiki, there's a whole list of them. The number to the far left is the enchantment ID. In the /enchant command, they now have like, so if I do /enchant and then hit tab, you can see all of these, but apparently that's not implemented in NBT yet. So you're going to have to go look it up. And then level is the level of the enchantment. I don't know what the maximum enchantment is. Level is, it's some ridiculous number if you do it with NBT. I will just show you something, just for funniness sake. I will have to go into MC Edit probably and remove all the entities because I've done this before, but YOLO. So if I go into game mode S and then I mine this, it's going to crash my game. Oh, hey, it didn't. Okay. Well, I was on a server once and it did crash my game. Let me just clear /clear Scars 3000. No. Minecraft Diamond 1199. So you can see it's pretty cool. Let me go, if I go back into creative and then Iron Golem. Oh my god, I still have my stupid razor back on with the weirdness. Okay, you can just ignore my iron bar texture. I was screwing around. Alright, let's just build an iron golem for fun. This is one of the more fun things to mess around with. Okay, 1, 2. He did. You cannot get that in survival. That's hilarious. Okay, anyway, on to the next thing. Alright, so the next thing, it's still enchantments. It is, if you want to do an enchanted book, you may simply, stop shifting, please. Minecraft Enchanted, oh god, Enchanted _book. Thank you, and then, can I edit this without having to delete the whole thing and then place it back again, please? Okay, just a moment. Okay, I fixed it somehow. I think I hit shift or something. Anyway, you're just gonna go in. It's extremely similar. You delete the enchantment and you write stored enchantment. Is that it? Yes, it is. Alright, so why it needs to do this instead of regular enchantments is otherwise the game would treat the book as being sharpened things and you would be able to go kill things, even though that's not how it's supposed to work. So let's see if this works. Fortune enchantment.level.1337 and sharpness enchantment.level.69. Awesome. And, okay, the last thing you can do with enchantments is, let me plop down an anvil real quick, because this is related to that. And let's put it over here. If I do, let's switch this back to a regular, ENCH, and if you keep it like this, the enchanted book, will actually have, sharpness and things, so you can do that if you really want to make like a super sharp book or something, but keep in mind those I don't think will combine onto any item. And then I can do repair cost, R-E-P-A-R-A, the spelling, repair cost. So this is a number of levels to add to the cost. So like if you want to balance a custom map or something, I could say add 10 levels on. So this should give me the pickaxe from earlier. Here's the original pickaxe, here's this. Let's see how they don't, okay, but then if I like put the, let me get a diamond, 64. And I put this in here, it's gonna say, oh god. Okay, let me show you another thing you can do with this. With tools, if you replace this number, that's how much damage it's taken. So if I do this, then it gives me a very damaged pick. And let me delete the repair cost bit so we can see the difference. And give me another very damaged pick. So here's the one with repair cost. That takes 11 levels. And this one takes 1 level because, oh yeah, 1.8, I forgot. It takes 2 levels to repair this pick with fortune level 1337 and sharpness level 69. So if you want things to actually like not be OP in 1.8, you can just slap a repair cost on there and then your players will be sad and you can go ha 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 ha. Anyway, alright. The next thing is attributes, which you may have been aware of. If you know more technical side of things, they're a little bit less common. I haven't really seen them in maps a lot. So yeah, go put this in your map. It's a cool thing. So if I execute this command, it's gonna give me diamond boots, and these have plus 169 speed. And this is literally so fast that I can glitch through blocks. And I have to kill myself to find my spawn area again. So yeah, right straight through them. So yeah, let me show you how I did this. Oh, by the way, so it's whenever you're wearing it as armor or holding it in your hand. So if I held these boots, it would have the same exact... Oh crap, I put them back on. When I should click them... Oh gosh, now I'm coughing. Okay, so... here's how one does this. In the tag, one shall have a list of things called attribute modifiers. And in this attribute modifiers list, you have a compound tag for each attribute. And basically what this tag contains, you have the operation, which I'll show you in a minute. It's easier to tell what this does when you can see it. The UUID least and most, which don't really matter. I think the least just has to be lower than the most, and don't make two of the same. I believe that stands for universally unique identifier or something. Okay, the next thing we have is the amount, which you can't see because the command box is being glitchy. But the amount is 169. The attribute name, this is important. If you look up attribute on the Minecraft wiki, there's a list of these. Generic movement speed, they're a lot. Not a lot, but like, you can change attack damage, knockback, resistance. I think horse jumpingness is a thing. I'm not sure though, and I don't know if armor works on horses. And then the name, I don't really think this matters. The wiki might say something about that, but yeah, just put whatever crap you want there. And then obviously you can add more attributes to this list. So let me show you the operation. I'm going to change the amount to no, move over. I'm going to change the amount to 1.69 just so you can see the effect better. Oh god, let's make the operation and stop 1, and then if we execute this, then it's gonna have a problem. What did I just do? Okay, yeah, that's not happy. Let's attribute modifiers. Boop, boop, operation. Thought no, that should work, right? Not really sure about that. Oh, I see what happened here. Now we get plus 169% speed, which is 1.69, just written in percent. So that adds a percentage to your speed. As far as I can tell, Operation 2 does the same thing. Again, if you look on the wiki, it describes them, and it's kind of confusing, so I'm just showing you here because I don't really get it either. You can go look at it if you really want, but it's not very helpful. Okay, so this is attributes. Yay, they're fun. Alrighty then. Alright, so the next thing is potions. And this command block here will give me a potion, and I can drink it 3 seconds of saturation, which will basically bump your hunger up. Here is the format. You can see it says saturation potion.potency.68. I think if I set this to something more reasonable, like is this, yeah, just a moment. So apparently whenever I'm not recording it works. So this is potency.10. Okay, still doesn't work, but you can see I changed the number in here. So this is how you do it. You have a list called custom potion effects, and then you have the potion ID. You can see this on the wiki. An amplifier, this is the level. If this is 0, it will be level 1. Just something to keep in mind. And the duration, this is in ticks, so 60 ticks, 26 ticks a second makes 3 seconds. And I think if there's another tag I can put in here called show particles 0, then I should not see any particles from this potion. And yeah, anyway, go look it up on the wiki. I don't remember what the tag is called. Oh, well, it's working now. Oh my god, stupid text. Anyway, that's how you do custom potions. If you do something like this and you put like a random number in here, like 299, you can get some pretty weird potion names. Like this one is a refined potion, and let's try another one. 129. We got a mundane potion. Okay, you've all seen that one. What about 156? That is a suave potion. So it's really fun to just put random numbers in there and see what you get. But anyway, yeah, that's potions. Yeah, that's basically all about potions. If you want to add more effects, you can just add one to this list ID, like what, I don't even know what 17 is, but oh wait, was it 9? Let's try this. Amplifier 5, duration 100. Let's see if this is what I think it is. Yeah, nausea. Is this it? Yummy. So yeah, then you can get nausea and stuff. So yeah, that's fun. Messing around with potions. Alright, next order of business. Okay, so now we're going to do display properties, which is one of the most commonly used NBT tags. If I trigger this command block, it will give me a shirt that is purple, and it says, this shirt has been worn by 90,074,584 people every day for 69 years. So these are the main three display properties: the color for leather armor, the name, and the lore. The name is the most common thing you see in adventure maps. And survival too, because you can do it with an anvil, which is awesome. Anyway, let me show you the command structure for this. So if we just stop shifting and go over here, the color, this may look like a random number to you, but it's actually, so colors, if you're familiar with the RGB system, are a hexadecimal number. The first two digits are red, the second two digits are blue, and the last two digits, no, the second two digits are green, and the last two digits are blue. So if you have, so hexadecimal numbers are not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For those who aren't familiar with mathematical basis, they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then 10. So there are basically 16 instead of 10. Anyway, so if you have FF0000, that's the maximum amount of red, which is 255. No blue and no green, which means that it's going to be completely red. If you have 000, if you have 6 zeros, then it's going to be black. So if I just replace this, if I didn't replace this number here, but if I did, it would be, if I replaced it with 0, the shirt would be completely black. FF is white, but why you're not seeing any F's in this, or like A's or E's or whatever hexadecimal, is because this isn't hexadecimal right here. For Minecraft, it doesn't support hexadecimal, so you need to go Google a hexadecimal to decimal converter, take your color, paste it in there, copy the decimal number over, unless it's 0, which is really easy because you just type in 0, it's the exact same in every base. Okay. So that's the color. The name is a string called name, shirt. That's pretty simple. Lore is a list of strings. So we have, this shirt has been worn by 90,074,584 people every day for 69 years. So that's most of the stuff. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is all in a inner tag called display. This is a compound tag. And something else you can do with this is the HideFlags. So this is outside of the display tag. We do hide. Oh crap. Cancel. Let me stop recording for a moment and put it in here. So I actually went back to our pick because we can demonstrate this better. So if I take this now, you're not able to see the enchantments now because I did HideFlags 1. It is a bit field. I do not know what that is. You can go Google it, but basically what you do is there's a number for every thing you want to hide. So 1 is enchantments, 2 is hide attribute modifiers, 4 is hide if it's unbreakable, 8 is hide what it can destroy, 16 what it can place on, 32 is random other crap like potion effects, stored enchantments, written book generation, author, explosion, fireworks, blah blah blah. And so setting to 3 would hide both enchantment and attribute modifiers. That's 1 plus 2. I don't know if you just add them. Somebody go Google Bitfield and tell me. Or if you know what it is. Tell me in the comments, please. I would like to know. I'm a math person. I like math. But anyway, okay. On to the next thing on the list. Alright, so what we have now is written books. Let's just say written books are special. This is a command. This book, it says, hello, Skyrish 3000, and it displays my UUID. you have 33 cookies. Click here to add a cookie, and when I hover over it says +1 cookie, and then done. And now if I give myself this again, should have 34 cookies, unless the click didn't work. There we go. Set score of cookies for player scars 3,000 to 34, and then I can give myself another one. You have 34 cookies. Whoa, trippy, bruh. Okay, so this is a very long command. You can see it in the chat right here. I did not write this command. A human did not write this command. A program wrote this command. The program is located at this website, and you can go here and play around with this. If you just go to this website right here, yep, that, and then I'll put a link in the description too. And then you click on book. You can make written books. I do not know how all of this syntax works, so please don't ask me. This is basically stuff. What I have here, I'll try to explain. There's text, and then a selector, which is @p. This is an objective. I didn't know you could put those in a book before today. You can also put them in a Telra or something else. That's actually really awesome. I think I've actually been wanting that feature, I think. It would be nicer if you could put them in commands. So you could do like increase cookies by cookies or something. But anyway, yeah, just work with variables easier, or like teleport to the cookies score. But anyway, yeah, that's just me fantasizing. You could go on that website, you could make them different colors, you could make text bold, any formatting you want. You could make it run commands like this. I just have a scoreboard command. You can display like entities and items and all sorts of stuff. Like there's a thing where you can display an item when you hover over something, which is really cool. So yeah, go to this website right now and play around with it for like half an hour or more. It's an awesome website. Don't write out this manually, please. Go to that website. It's cool. Goodbye. Alright, so the next thing is custom heads in 1.8, because that's what I'm doing right now. You can go watch my previous tutorial. You can go look at it. It's somewhere on my channel. Probably throw a link up. But there have been developments. So if you go watch that and you see the like long string that looks a little bit like this, except different, it has actually been determined that this is a URL encoded into base 6 and its weirdness, and you can go here, which is a great website made by Dragnaz, and he has a video about those changes, the URL thing, and also this website will generate a /give command for you, and you can paste in the URL of whatever head image you want. So go watch this video. It's better than mine. So our last topic that I'm going to cover in this tutorial is fireworks. So let me just demonstrate this command. Oh crap. It's doing the shift click thing again. Yes, okay, I fixed it. Anyway, okay, this will give me a firework. And I can make this go up, and it will do that. And I did this all with NBT. I feel like, now that I know this, I will not craft fireworks because they're annoying to craft. So you can see I have pretty much all of the effects. So here's what I came in like a firework because yeah. So here's the NBT structure. You have a fireworks compound tag, and it is Minecraft fireworks. And then this is actually so this is flight is 1. This is the flight duration. This could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. 7 doesn't work, just so you know. I tried it. You might want to keep it to 3. And then explosions is a list of all the like booming things. Type, this is the like small ball, large ball, something, creeper, and burst, I believe, are all the types. Go look on the wiki, it says there. Flicker is the glowstone effect, I think. Trail is like the diamond effect with the trails from the things. Colors is a list of colors. Again, these are hexadecimal converted to decimal. So this is 0 and a keyboard mash. The keyboard mash was like, I think it turned out to be like a pinkish color, and then it just fades. Let me see if I can look at the other one. Okay, here's one. This is green 00FF00 and another keyboard mash, so we can look at that. So you notice the black and the green, and then the kind of other colors, and oh yeah, and in the fade colors here, this is the colors that it fades to. So this one, it's the opposite. In the first one we have, if I could find it, why will you not show it to me? Okay, they both fade to white though, which is just FF, FF, FF. And you can do all this color stuff. Just Google hexadecimal, the decimal converter, and then type in the hexadecimal. Yeah, so that's fireworks. Yay, fun. Ooh, it's so pretty. Alright, so the last thing on the wiki is maps. But I'm not going to cover these because they're pretty complicated. It's not something you would just write in NBT, like, ever. I never used this clock. Anyway, it's useful, though. The wiki has an entire article about the map item format. If it's so complicated, go look it up if you really want to know about it. Because I don't. It's like a list. There's an array of colors and then something else. I guess if you want to write like an MC edit filter, like Texelelf's image to map filter, which I like, then you might want to research that, but I don't because I'm not planning to. There's already a filter out there. That's fine with me. Alright, and on that note, I shall say goodbye. If you have any questions on how to do these things, or like you have a specific idea, like I want to do blah 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 blah, and I don't know how to do it, then put a comment down below or post on the forum thread wherever you're looking at this video. I don't get like any comments. I don't get like a lot of comments, so I will know if you comment and I will respond, and I will try to be as helpful as possible. So yeah, do that. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Do not ask about block NBT data. That's not this tutorial. We'll probably do another tutorial on that in the future if this tutorial gets more than 2 views. Thank you. Goodbye.